Are you ready to sell your bears? Not everyone who makes teddy bears wants to sell those bears. But if you are thinking about selling your bears, are you ready? There is no official organization that governs whether or not you can sell your bears, and there's no class that you must pass. Although there are some shows, both online and in person, that are juried. There are, however, some general good sense guidelines that you'll want to use to evaluate your bears before you take the plunge into the world of selling collectible artist teddy bears. You will want to be sure that your bears have been created with good quality construction before you offer them for sale. You will have to be very honest with yourself. Now, is the bear properly stuffed? There's no empty pockets anywhere. As you're looking at your bear, are your noses, eyes, and ears even? Are the seams of your bear nice and smooth? Is there any fur stuck inside the seams? Are your seam closings nice and tight? No fur caught in the seam? Does your bear sit nicely? Are the eyes set nicely on his face, not too high on the forehead? And are the eye wires all the way inside his head? And are the eyes good and tight? Do the bear's limbs move nicely? This bear was jointed with bolts and lock nuts. If your bear is jointed with cotter pins, they may be a little looser than this. The best way to know what a good quality bear looks like is to see them in person. There are still some shops that stock artist teddy bears. There are also still some physical teddy bear shows. And of course, you can see many bears online, but it can be difficult to actually see all the fine details of quality bears until you have seen them in person. I started out as a collector of artist bears. I had many bears to look at, touch, and feel to observe what good quality bears are like. I also learned that as a collector, I preferred my bears to have a little weight to them. That's something you just cannot see online. Now, if you're not able to visit any teddy bear shops or shows in person, you may consider purchasing several quality artist bears yourself. You don't want to copy them, but you want to know what a good quality artist bear looks and feels like. If you are buying some artist bears online, how do you know they are of good quality? If you're buying them from eBay or Etsy, check their seller feedback to see what others have had to say about the bears they purchased from them. Are you on Facebook? Maybe you see some bear artists there who almost always sell the bears that they post. If their bears are selling consistently, odds are they are good quality bears, or their bears would not keep selling. Do you have any questions? Post them in the comments.